You likely reach for the same bag of flour every single week, the trusted brand your parents used for birthday cakes and holiday dinners. I investigated 10 of the most popular U.S. flour brands, and what I found is shocking. Chlorine gas byproducts, synthetic pesticides in premium labels, and a carcinogen banned in 5 countries still sitting on shelves with no warning. Only 3 brands I tested are actually safe to keep buying. Let's expose the 10 you need to throw away immediately, working our way to the absolute worst offender. Number 10. Heckers and Ceresota. Northeastern bakers often view Heckers and Ceresota as an authentic, honest alternative to industrial commodity brands. Milled since 1843, this heritage label genuinely avoids chemical bleaching, meaning zero chlorine gas, benzoyl peroxide, or toxic alloxan byproducts enter their production line. However, a major safety blind spot exists in their supply chain. Heckers relies on conventionally grown wheat treated with glyphosate, the active ingredient in Roundup, which international health agencies classify as a probable human carcinogen. Because roller milling cannot eliminate synthetic pesticide residues applied in the field, and Heckers refuses to publish independent third-party laboratory testing, consumers are left completely in the dark. While their physical milling avoids synthetic chemical agents, what arrives from the farm remains unverified, creating a troubling gap between their traditional marketing claims and what actually ends up inside your kitchen bowl. This leaves loyal families trusting an incomplete promise. Number 9. Bob's Red Mill. Bob's Red Mill has built massive consumer trust through its iconic founder portrait, rustic packaging, and traditional stone milling heritage. Shoppers frequently pay double the price of standard supermarket brands, assuming this premium cost guarantees total purity from farm to table. While their stone milling process is authentic, preserving grain structure far better than industrial high-speed rollers, the wheat sourcing standard tells a drastically different story. Standard Bob's Red Mill all-purpose flour is produced using conventionally grown wheat. This means the crops are exposed to standard agricultural glyphosate applications during cultivation, yet the company does not publish third-party pesticide testing for this line. The rustic stone mill image creates a strong impression of holistic clean eating, but the underlying wheat supply chain mirrors basic commodity crops. Paying a premium price yields superior physical milling texture, yet fails to protect your family from routine agricultural chemical residues. Number 8. Great Value. Walmart's Great Value flour sits directly beside national name brands, offering identical white packaging for a fraction of the cost. Shoppers naturally assume it is the exact same product without the expensive brand marketing. However, that lower price tag hides severe manufacturing compromises. Great Value all-purpose flour undergoes aggressive chemical bleaching and synthetic enrichment. The bag markets enriched iron and vitamins as a health benefit, conveniently ignoring that high-speed milling strips the grain's natural nutrients first. Even more concerning, several Great Value formulations utilize potassium bromate as a dough conditioner. This chemical additive is banned across the European Union, Canada, Brazil, and China due to cancer concerns, yet it remains hidden in budget bags at America's largest retailer. Cost-conscious families trying to save money are routinely exposed to severe chemical bleaching and an internationally restricted additive on a weekly basis. Number 7. Martha White. Martha White carries a deep regional legacy, originally named in 1899 by a real little girl by her proud father. That warm, family-centered story remains prominently printed on the packaging, but the manufacturing reality behind it has drastically shifted. Corporate giant J.M. Smucker acquired the brand, placing it under the exact same industrial procurement system that controls multiple regional labels. Martha White all-purpose flour undergoes chemical bleaching, generating the synthetic byproduct alloxan, alongside artificial enrichment designed to mask the nutritional damage caused by high-speed industrial milling. While the sentimental heritage branding implies a small-scale, traditional baking flour, the current formula is dictated strictly by mass corporate production standards. Southern home bakers who choose Martha White for its personal, authentic history are actually receiving an artificially processed, chemically treated commodity product wrapped in a century-old family label. Number 6. Robin Hood. Robin Hood flour maintains its shelf space in millions of Midwestern pantries purely through unexamined generational habit. Many shoppers grab the familiar bag on autopilot, trusting it simply because their parents did. However, Robin Hood is owned by J.M. Smucker, operating under the same corporate supply chain that controls Martha White. The flour undergoes standard chemical bleaching, and several popular formulations contain potassium bromate. International health agencies classify potassium bromate as a possible human carcinogen, leading major global markets like Canada, the EU, and China to prohibit its use in food completely. Yet because this additive remains buried in fine print on the side panel, longtime buyers are never directly warned about what is hiding inside their everyday baking recipes. Continuing to buy Robin Hood out of tradition means unknowingly steeping an internationally restricted chemical compound directly into your household meals. Number 5. White Lily. For over a century, White Lily held a sacred place in Southern kitchens, milled from soft winter wheat that made biscuits rise like nothing else. Generations inherited the brand alongside family recipes. But everything changed when J.M. Smucker acquired the company and dismantled its historical supply chain. Corporate management shut down the historical Knoxville mill, moved production to Ohio, and altered the iconic soft wheat sourcing to lower costs. Southern bakers immediately noticed their biscuits failing to rise or hold texture, filling community forums with frustration. Smucker made no public announcement while keeping the packaging identical. The issue goes beyond basic processing. A historic, cherished flour formula was quietly gutted while selling corporate commodity wheat under a legendary name. Home bakers using White Lily today are paying for a legacy that no longer exists inside the bag. Number 4. King Arthur. King Arthur represents the serious baker's gold standard, building its massive reputation on employee ownership and milling unbleached flour since 1790. For health-conscious families fleeing industrial bleaching, this premium brand seems the perfect solution. The label proudly boasts unbleached, guaranteeing zero chlorine gas, benzoyl peroxide, or toxic alloxan byproducts in your baking. However, paying a high premium creates a false sense of total safety. King Arthur all-purpose flour is produced using conventionally grown wheat exposed to routine glyphosate applications in the field. Crucially, the company does not publish third-party pesticide testing results for consumers to inspect. While the brand completely solves the chemical bleaching problem at the mill, it leaves the agricultural chemical question completely open. The word unbleached builds immense trust, yet masks an unverified supply chain that still relies on conventional agricultural practices before the wheat ever reaches the mill. Number 3. Pillsbury. Pillsbury built one of the most successful advertising campaigns in history around the cheerful doughboy character, instilling an emotional feeling of safety and family tradition. Behind that cuddly marketing image, however, lies a highly concerning chemical formula. Pillsbury all-purpose flour is chemically treated with potassium bromate to artificially strengthen gluten structure and improve rising performance. While health regulators across the European Union, Canada, Brazil, and China banned potassium bromate due to cancer risks, and the FDA urged mills to voluntarily discontinue its use, Pillsbury chose to keep using it. The front packaging displays a smiling mascot, while the word bromated remains buried in small text on the ingredient panel. For over 30 decades, this iconic corporate brand has paired child-friendly emotional branding with an internationally restricted chemical additive, leaving unsuspecting families to bake hidden industrial compounds into their holiday meals. Number 2. Softasilk. Softasilk is the specialized cake flour parents reach for during life's biggest celebrations, from birthday layers to wedding cakes. Produced by General Mills, its ultra-fine texture promises professional baking results for special moments. However, that silky lightness is not an artisanal milling achievement. It is the direct product of extreme chemical processing. Softasilk undergoes an intensive chlorination process, far harsher than standard all-purpose flour bleaching. This heavy chlorine exposure breaks down wheat proteins while generating dangerous concentration levels of alloxan, a toxic chemical byproduct used in scientific research to induce diabetes in laboratory animals. The velvety texture and the concentrated chemical byproduct are created by the exact same process. Consumers who choose Softasilk to make special family memories extra sweet are unknowingly buying the most heavily chlorinated, chemically aggressive flour sitting anywhere on supermarket shelves. Gold medal is the undisputed titan of the baking aisle, sitting inside millions of kitchen cabinets since 1880. Its iconic red and blue packaging creates a powerful psychological assumption of trust, making families feel that safety has already been verified. In reality, parent company General Mills uses aggressive chemical bleaching processes involving benzoyl peroxide and chlorine gas to artificially accelerate volume production. When chlorine gas contacts wheat proteins, it creates a toxic chemical byproduct called alloxan. In scientific research laboratories, alloxan is the exact compound researchers inject into test animals to destroy pancreatic beta cells and reliably induce diabetes. While General Mills hides this process behind the simple word bleached in small print, alloxan sits inside your everyday flour. Gold medal represents the ultimate corporate trade-off, replacing natural grain aging with harsh industrial chemistry, prioritizing volume margins over the long-term health of unsuspecting consumer households. Best option number 3, Jovial Organic Einkorn All-Purpose Flour. Jovial Organic Einkorn All-Purpose Flour eliminates every chemical concern found in conventional brands by returning to the ancient origin of wheat itself. Einkorn is the original unhybridized grain, completely untouched by modern industrial yield optimization or genetic manipulation. Jovial sources its wheat directly from small, certified organic farms in Italy, ensuring absolute supply chain purity from soil to sack. Their gentle production process involves zero chemical bleaching, no potassium bromate additives, zero synthetic enrichment, and complete freedom from toxic glyphosate applications. Because the natural grain structure and nutritional density remain entirely undamaged during milling, Einkorn retains its pure original gluten composition. A significant number of consumers who experience non-celiac wheat sensitivities report digesting this ancient grain without discomfort. Jovial offers health-conscious families a verified clean alternative that completely bypasses modern agricultural pesticides and harsh industrial processing chemistry. Priced around $8 to $10, it is a true household upgrade. Best option 2, 1 Degree Organic Sprouted Wheat. 1 Degree Organic Sprouted Wheat Flour replaces corporate secrecy with complete, radical transparency. While premium conventional brands ask shoppers for unearned trust, 1 Degree makes blind faith completely unnecessary. Every bag features an interactive QR code that allows you to trace the exact certified organic farm, location, and farmer who grew your specific grain. The wheat is strictly certified organic, guaranteeing zero exposure to glyphosate or synthetic agricultural chemicals. Additionally, the ancient sprouting process increases bioavailability while actively breaking down phytic acid, an anti-nutrient in standard flour that blocks mineral absorption during digestion. Rather than stripping natural nutrients during high-speed milling and adding synthetic vitamins back later, 1 degree protects the grain's natural integrity from the field. Priced around $7 to $9, it delivers verified farm-level accountability and clean, easily digestible nutrition. Number 1. Sunrise Flour Mill Organic Heritage Wheat. Sunrise Flour Mill was created by founders who conducted their own thorough audit and couldn't find a single commercial flour that passed. After severing wheat sensitivities, they traced their reactions directly to hybridized wheat, glyphosate residues, and industrial bleaching chemistry. Realizing that even high-end brands solved one problem while hiding another, they created the ultimate clean alternative. Sunrise sources strictly certified organic heritage wheat varieties, milled in small batches with zero bleaching, zero bromating, and zero synthetic pesticides. Crucially, they publish their complete sourcing and independent testing standards online for any consumer to inspect. While mass-market brands ask for blind trust, Sunrise provides full published verification. For families seeking total peace of mind, this flour addresses every single hazard on the avoid list in one bag. Everything your family bakes, from birthday cakes to weekend pancakes, starts with what is sitting in that bag on your counter. Go check the label, read the fine print, and ask what isn't being disclosed. Which flour brand is currently sitting in your kitchen pantry, and will you be tossing it out after seeing this breakdown? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.